Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Sensor that goes inside the distributor, kind of like a cam sensor on your European cars. The parts box is calling it a pickup capacitor. So we got this from online. We're going to go ahead and replace it. First thing you want to do is take this nut off of the air intake so you can see your car, but it's out of the way. Reach down there on your distributor, take that screw loose, it will not come out. Take that screw on this side loose, it will not come out. And then pull the wires from this side. Mark where they go. We got this wire is on this plug, this wire is on this plug, and this wire is on this plug. So we're going to pull those so we can move the distributor cap out of the way toward the passenger side. Distributor out of the way. Now I can see that sensor thing, it's under the rotor. We're going to pull the rotor off. Remember what position it's pointing in, because you don't want to lose its position. And we're going to pull that off, see how it attaches. Looks like the screws for the cap thread through it, so shouldn't be no big deal. Unplug the old one, plug in the new one. So let's see how to get this rotor off without breaking it. The sensor goes down and the holes only go one way, they're offset. So put that down like that. Rotor button is key, it only goes on one way. So that's how that needs to look. Go ahead and slide your rotor back on, put your cap back on, connect your wires, stick the key, fire it up, see if it works. Alright, it is running. Good deal. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.